YouTubers. Yes, I'm back. A bit windy today, and if you're wondering why these up, is I'm just doing the exterior glass and a few little jobs. Perhaps I should have picked a better day to do my first bit of filming in probably what is a couple of months. But yeah, the car's looking good. The car's still running good. Again, apologies for the wind, but I will show you what I'm doing. It is windy. Let's try and get you in here. I've actually had a little rattle in the rear hatch. Ever so tiny little rattle, but you know it's one of those things that annoys you. It actually turned out that it was this clip here that had come off the back of there, and that was literally just rattling around in the back. One other rattle that it's now got is, I go inside, is the panel here with the weight of that. So I'm literally just going to put something in there, a little bit of cushion to sort that out. But other than that, the car's going really, really well. What can I say? So where have I been for the last 2 months? Well, apart from almost cutting my finger off, basically working and life. Yes, normally I'll do the 6-day week. Like I say, I've got 2 jobs, a full-time job and an additional job, and it doesn't leave you with much time. So I'm still doing my radio show on local radio, 101.2 FM. Yeah, and there's a lot going on with that, but nothing I can actually talk about at the minute. But hopefully I will be able to say something very soon. Yeah, and what else has been happening? Everybody's got a little bit older. Everybody's still enjoying life. I'm still enjoying the Focus. I had a little wobble. I looked at a few cars. I still have a hankering to go back to a rear-wheel drive car or a retro Japanese car, but I mean, I've not finished with the Focus yet. I've still got to do the anti-roll bar bushes, anti-roll bars, still lower it a little bit more, and also I've got something in the box to go on the car. Let's try and get it out of the garage without getting blown away. I'll give you a sneak peek if I can actually get the contents out. Oh look, something. What would that be? The only issue I've got with fitting it, as I may have mentioned actually in a previous video, is the fact that the car scrapes on the driveway just as the camber of the road drops off, and it comes up here. If I can show it to you, it already catches here, and it's already caught the sump guard of the car. Well, I say sump guard, it's just like a plastic shield. Maybe I should go full metal and put a rally spec one on there, and then I can spark every time I go up and down the driveway. Some exotic Formula 1 material would be ideal, wouldn't it? But anyway, yeah, I'll put that there because the way the wind is blowing at the minute, the wicked witch of the west will... Is it east or is it west? Anyway, she will come and take it away from me, which isn't good, but yeah. One other quick note I wanted to say about this guard here. Does anybody else get a tiny bit like of light seepage coming through into the rear of the hatch on the top part? Yeah, it's where this crest bit here sits on the rear glass. At night time you get a tiny little bit of light seepage. Perhaps I spend too much time looking in my mirrors, but you know, I do look forward as well. But perhaps it's literally, I don't know, wondering if somebody's going to follow me with their blues and twos and all that stuff. But anyway, right, so now I found this clip, which wasn't the point of the video. The point of the video was literally just to say that I'm still alive. I am going to be bringing some content back to the channel. Again, I've literally had maybe 3 days off, when you consider both jobs, in the last 8 to 10 weeks. So yeah, that detailing brush, that wasn't obviously hidden in there. But yeah, so anyway, as I said, the car's still going really well. It still flies. It's due an oil change actually, so I'll probably film that for you all, get that up on the channel. But as I said, this was literally whilst I was outside, the sun was shining, a wee bit windy, but I thought, you know what, I'll just put a quick hastily video together, something very easy, because the YouTube algorithms hate me because I don't do regular uploads, but you know, that's the way it is. So yeah, stick with me. As I say, I've got some body kit parts to go on once I can work out what to do with the car scraping, and I've got some rear spring locators to take out just to drop the car a little bit. The wheel spacers, or hub centric spacers I should say, are working really well. I want to get the car setup done as well, but obviously with the front and rear anti-roll bars to come out, I was looking at getting some, what should I say, some white line ones. I've been recommended those over the other stuff I've been written, the fitting, the hard race stuff. Apparently the white line stuff is more durable, as I should say. But yeah, anyway, a bit of a random video, not a high edit, not a high production, but just to let you know I'm all alive, and famous last words, still enjoying a few things that I do, and obviously, yeah, I'll have a couple of videos in the pipeline soon. So anyway, take care, and I will catch you all again.